When preparing to meet someone new, it's important to understand the context of the situation, as well as who you're meeting. If you're going to a work-related event, you can ask yourself who's likely to be there and for what purpose. For example, there could be a mix of professionals from human resources, department leaders, and coworkers at a work event like a seminar. Or you may be meeting with just senior leadership about a department problem. Even if you're familiar with some people there, you may meet new individuals, so consider the relationships you want to have with them and how you can behave to make a great first impression. It's also important to know why you're speaking to them and what about. Knowing what you want from an interaction can help you better communicate. If you were to meet with an employee to train or onboard them, you might want to prepare to be asked questions and have open body language. Similarly, your reasons to speak with someone might not be their reasons for speaking with you. For example, you might want to impress a senior executive with your innovative project proposal and simply gain approval. They may be interested in how this idea will affect the organization and create value for shareholders. Without taking time to consider their interests, you might not think to appeal to them, which could result in losing their support for your proposal. Assessing the goals of the interaction that you and others may have can help you present yourself in a thoughtful way. Considering all these factors together can help in a variety of situations. Let's say you're interviewing for a job. Even if you don't know who you would be speaking with, knowing about the company might help. By understanding the job and what the company wants in a candidate, a person can better present why they're uniquely qualified for the role. Also, knowing where the appointment will take place can help with being on time and wearing appropriate clothing. For example, for office interviews, you might wear business clothes, and remote interviews could require preparing a professional space with a clean wall behind you with few distracting items hanging or on shelves.